Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my full ship tour of the brand new Carnival Celebration. The Celebration is Carnival's newest and second ship in their XL class. This ship comes weighing in over 180,000 gross tons and has 6 different zones, all filled with fun. With the max capacity of 6,500 passengers, this ship is composed of 19 decks, 7 of which are all staterooms. Starting at the top of the decks, you'll find Loft 19. This new concept is designed to give cruisers a resort-style experience. Access to Loft 19 can be purchased for an additional fee or complimentary if you're staying in an XL class suite. From my time on Loft 19 to seeing it at various points of the cruise, the deck and the cabanas were never packed and always had plenty of space. So if you're looking for an elevated Serenity-like experience with dedicated butler service, Loft 19 may be perfect for you. Speaking of Serenity, let's hop down to deck 18. Serenity is Carnival's adult-only area. Known for being very quiet and peaceful, this is a great place to read a book, relax, or even take a nap. Fresh Creations allows you to create your own salad at sea. Only open on sea days, Fresh Creations provides a wide assortment of toppings and items to help you create the perfect salad. Located in the back of Deck 18 aft side, you'll find the ultimate playground. Bolt is the first roller coaster at sea. There is an additional fee of $15 to ride Bolt. Be sure to hop on your Carnival Hub app to make your reservation. Now, if you're enjoying this ship tour, go ahead and hit that like button and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Waterworks is the perfect place to be on those hot days. With slides and a splash pad, Waterworks is sure to keep all ages entertained. Be sure to check out all 3 water slides, as they each provide a different and fun experience. The newly designed Red Frog Tiki Bar aboard the XL class ships now has 2 stories. Be sure to stop past either deck for a refreshing rum cocktail. Now, let's head to the forward of the ship for a Carnival favorite. Guy's Burger Joint is proclaimed by many as the best burger at sea. Carnival has repositioned Guy's from the center of the Lido deck to having its own dedicated space up on Deck 17. I really love the fact that Carnival has given Guy's its own dedicated seating and additional line space to help support the crowds on sea days. Club 02 is for all the teenagers 15 through 17. And Circle C is for ages 12 through 14. The Warehouse Arcade on the Celebration is by far one of the biggest arcades in the Carnival fleet. With tons of arcade and simulation style games, the warehouse will surely keep kids and adults of any age entertained for hours. Tide's pool can be found in the back of the ship on most of the ships in Carnival's fleet. Shaq's Big Chicken has been getting rave reviews since its debut on the Mardi Gras. With Southern-style mouth-watering chicken sandwiches, Shaq's Big Chicken has become one of my favorites on the new XL-class ships. As we walk past the hand-washing station, we're going to step right into the Lido Marketplace. The Lido Marketplace is where you'll find your buffet-style breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you've cruised the Mardi Gras or the celebration, be sure to drop a comment on what's your favorite part about these new XL class ships. Or if you're looking to go on one of these ships, what are you most excited about? Leave a comment down below. Another Carnival favorite is the Blue Iguana Cantina. Street Eats is Carnival's new food truck concept. While the Seafood Shack is a paid upcharge, Time Fries, Steam Dream, and Mad Sizzle are all complimentary. Outside of Seafood Shack, the items at Street Eats change daily, so be sure to stop past and try them all. Chibang is Carnival's newest Chinese and Mexican fusion restaurant. Classified as specialty dining, Chibang is currently a complimentary option on the XL class ships. The Havana area on the Celebration is a unique experience. With Cuban-inspired decor, this is a great place to relax, enjoy a cocktail, or listen to live music. Havana is divided into two separate areas. The indoor area is open to all guests, while the outdoor area is only for the guests who are staying in a Havana stateroom. Whether you're inside or outside, the Havana bars serve some great Cuban coffee and some refreshing cocktails. Be sure to try out the Cuban iced tea and tell them Travel with John Spate sent you. I had the opportunity to stay in the Havana area during one of my 2 cruises on the Mardi Gras. I really loved Havana due to its location, great views, and it was never overcrowded. Be sure to check out Dream Studio to book all of your personalized photo experiences. Teppanyaki is a great hibachi-style dining experience. Be sure to book early because these do fill up quick. Bonsai Sushi now has its own dedicated restaurant. With no reservation needed, Bonsai has an expanded dining menu to satisfy all cravings. Be sure to stop past Pixel's photo gallery to purchase all those great pictures you took throughout your cruise. Carnival's done a really great job at modernizing their photo delivery system. You can now review all of your photos on one of these tablets or on your Carnival Hub app. 820 Biscayne is the heart of deck number 8. Paying homage to Carnival's headquarters, this deck has a great Miami feel. Cucina del Capitano is Carnival's Italian specialty dining restaurant. This restaurant on other Carnival ships is a paid upcharge, but just like Chibang on the XL class ships, it's complimentary. Bar 820 is a great place for coffee in the morning and for some afternoon cocktails with indoor and outdoor seating. Miami Slice serves fresh hot pizza all throughout the day, while Deco Deli serves up some great sandwiches. Rudy Sea Grill is the brand new specialty seafood dining restaurant by Chef Rudy Soderman. Rudy Sea Grill provides a 4-course dining experience with fresh seafood on the sea. With vibrant lighting and comfortable seating, Rudy Sea Grill is a must-try dining experience. Now, make sure you stop past the Adventures desk to plan all those great excursions. As we head to Summer's Landing, Carnival has done a great job with repositioning guest services. Typically found in the main atrium, guest services now can be found at the back of Deck 8. Summer's Landing is home to Guy's Pig and Anchor, the Patio, and the Heroes Tribute Lounge. The Heroes Tribute Lounge gives recognition to sacrifices made by armed services personnel and their families. With plush couches and very comfortable chairs, this is a great place to watch all of your sporting events and even grab some ice cream. Across from Heroes, we have Guy's Pig and Anchor. This is one of my absolute favorite places. With a full-scale bourbon selection and whiskey-based cocktails that complements their barbecue selection perfectly, Guy's is a go-to for great food and live music played nightly. The Patio and its infinity-style pool is the place to be on all of those hot days. On your sea days, be sure to check out Guy's Pig and Anchor for lunch. The Watering Hole serves up some refreshing cocktails poolside on the patio. Be sure to check out the Watermelon Crush. As we step down to Deck 7, we have the Grand Spectrum Theater. The Empress Casino aboard the Celebration is one of the largest casinos at sea. Celebration Central is Carnival's new multi-tiered atrium concept. Made up of decks 6 through 8, there's plenty of seats in the house to make sure that you never miss out on the entertainment. Located midship, Celebration Central is sure to bring the fun, with parties such as Evolution and game shows such as Deal or No Deal. Limelight Lounge is one of 2 comedy venues, hosting daily comedy shows, karaoke, and even a nightclub late night. Alchemy Bar is a Carnival favorite for a reason. Here, you'll find that your bartenders will create craft cocktails using fresh ingredients specific to your liking. Fahrenheit 555 is Carnival's premier steakhouse. I dined at Fahrenheit on both the Mardi Gras and the Celebration. Both times I can say it was a phenomenal experience with great food. The Festival is one of 2 main dining rooms on the Celebration. Covering our last deck of this ship tour, let's see what we have cooking in the kitchen on deck number 6. Carnival Kitchen is a new interactive cooking experience. Here, you get to cook alongside one of Carnival's chefs and then enjoy the food you made. Emeralds on the Celebration is cooking up some Creole style cuisines. Latitudes is one of 2 new bars inside the Gateway Zone. This bar pays homage to airports and train stations all across the world. And if you would like to know more, be sure to check out my review plus my top 7 cocktails at Latitudes. Carnival is the second main dining room aboard the Celebration. Commemorating Carnival's historic past, we have the Golden Jubilee. This bar is outlined in architectural designs and blueprints. Be sure to head to my channel to check out my review and top 7 cocktails at the Golden Jubilee. There's nothing sweeter on the sea than grabbing some treats from Cherry on Top. And what better way to start your day than with a latte, frappuccino, or spiked coffee from Java Blue? Piano Bar 88 is the place to be at night. Come join your pianist for some live music and group sing-along. The Punchliner is the second of 2 comedy clubs. Be sure to book all of your spa needs at Cloud9 Spa to enhance the relaxation while on vacation. The Celebration was a nice addition to the XL class. Similar to its sister ship Mardi Gras, this was an amazing ship with great entertainment and delicious food while celebrating Carnival's 50 years of fun. If you cruised the Celebration before, drop a comment below on what was your favorite part of this ship. Or if you've already booked the Celebration or looking to book, leave a comment below on what you look forward to the most. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my aft balcony room tour where I captured this amazing view.